Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I just received a new range hood. That means it's time to unbox it. So let's get cracking. All right, everybody. So as you can see, this is going to be the one that tucks up in and underneath. They mentioned it's got high airflow, powerful fan, and it's going to have low noise operation. After a little bit of analysis, it opens this way. Once again, I love these end caps. Helps the box get here in a much better state. And there is our new range hood. Alrighty, friends, so there it is, 36 inches. It was packed super safe. It was packed super snug and safe. It was hard to get out of the box, but that's good so that way it's not sloshing around the entire time it's being shipped to you. Friends, let's peel this away and see what's inside. Alrighty, so as you can see, looks awesome. These are easy to remove for cleaning. Check out those fans. That is a huge amount of air being pulled from your kitchen. Easy to release, easy to put back in. That's great for cleaning. And easy to put back together. It does have touch, so I'm going to touch the lights right now. It did come with a cord so I could plug it in. You can see you've got your sweet LEDs just like that, and it's just as easy to power them off. Before we play too much, just a reminder, find your mounting hardware, track down the remote. We will go through this in a minute. And of course, make sure you find your manual. Of course, they highlight stop, read, test before you install. You do not want to get it totally up and find out that there's something wrong. There are important safety notices. Make sure you read through those. Also talks about what happens if you got a grease fire. Proper venting is covered. Most efficient and quiet operation notes. As we get to installation, they tell you to test once again, and then you've got all your instructions for installing. And of course, don't forget, as you move through, they also talk about maintenance and cleaning. Alrighty, friends, so here we are with our straight on view. I'm going to just show you as we swipe from the left to the right. We got to go past both sensors. Boom, it powers on, gives us the light, and it's at the number 1 power level. Notice we went by sensor 1 and sensor 2. It'll go to power level 2. That way you're not leaving marks on your screen and it's easy to work it. To lower the power, you just go from the right to the left. Just like that, all the way to off. Once again, you can power your lights off just like that. Easy peasy. As far as the remote control, friends, when you open it, there is a battery already in it, but there's a protective piece of paper that was keeping it from being used ahead of time. Now when we close that up, we can easily power it on, raise the fan level, lower the fan level, and then also set the timer. So right now I just turned on timer mode and you can see it's set for 3. I can instantly tap that again to shut off the timer, or we can pick which timer mode we want. So there's 1 minute, there's 6 minutes, there's 9 minutes for how long you want your timer to run. And then also down at the bottom, we've got the lights. So you've got remote control, or you can use the gestures. That is so easy peasy, and you don't put any marks on your sweet stainless steel range hood. Alright, everybody, so there you have it, the HisoHu 36-inch stainless steel range hood. It has touch sensors, it has a remote. It ships in a fantastic box that protects it on the way. As you can see, it showed up looking nice, and it works like a champ as well. A ton of features, and it's super easy to control, which is going to be awesome for any household. Friends, of course, if you're interested in your own, I will make sure there is a link in the description. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.